Hi everyone, in today's video I'm showing you a lovely, super quick and easy Christmas craft you can easily make at home in any colour of your choice. Let's take a look at what we're going to be needing. Here we have some wool. Again, you can use wool in any colour of your choice. We have a frame. I've just got a mint green frame, but again, any frame of your choice will be fine. I think the wooden frames look better than the metal ones, and I have removed the glass out of the middle. We've got a hot glue gun, some scissors, a small piece of brown felt and some ribbon, and again the ribbon can be in any colour of your choice. To get started, we're going to take our ball of wool and we are going to start making some tassels. To make the tassels, I'm just going to take my wool, I'm going to wrap the wool around all 4 fingers on my hand, and I'm going to wrap this approximately 25 times. When we've done that, we're then going to snip the end, cut another piece of wool, remove the wrapped wool from our fingers, then we're going to thread our piece of string through and just tie that securely. Taking the scissors then, we're just going to trim through the end, so that then makes it into tassels. Take another small piece of wool. We're going to straighten all of our tassel up, then we're going to take our small piece of wool and we're going to wrap that around the top of the tassel and just tie it. Tie that quite firmly so it holds it all in place. Then we can just trim off the bottom just to make it a little bit neater and all the wool pieces level. I now need to make a further 5 of these to fit in my frame. Depending on the size of your frame, you may need to make more. So I'm going to crack on, make 5 more of these, and I will bring you back when they're all done. Once we've made all of the tassels that we need, we're now ready to start assembling our Christmas tree. And like I said, depending on how big your frame is, you may need to do an extra row of tassels, so just bear that in mind. I only need 6 because my frame is quite small. Taking our frame, we're going to start assembling our tree inside the frame. I'm going to start from the bottom because I think that might be easiest. And we're just going to lay our tassels down together, and then we can move them around as we feel necessary to make it look how we want it to. And then we just need our 1 tassel on the top. So for that, I'm just going to move it all up. Using the piece of felt, I'm going to make a small tree trunk. So I've just got a small piece of felt and I'm just going to tightly roll that up and just keep rolling it just until you feel that it's thick enough just to go in the bottom of your tree. And when it is, we're just going to take some hot glue and we're just going to secure that. And then we can just trim off all the extra piece of felt. Then for the tree trunk, we're just going to pop that in underneath, like so. For the top of my tree, I'm just going to pop a ribbon bow on. You can use a star, you could use beads, you could use whatever you want, but I'm just going to make a small little bow using my ribbon. We're just going to make a small bow. Once you're happy with that, we're just going to snip off the excess ribbon that we no longer want. And the final thing we need to do now is just glue all of the tree now into our frame. I'm going to start with my trunk at the bottom and I'm going to work my way up to the top. When it comes to the bow at the top, I think it's up to you whether you pop it on top of the tree or if you pop it above the tree, whichever you think is going to look best. I think I'm going to pop mine actually on tree just to hide that bit. And there we have our completed tassel tree. These little tassel trees I am seeing all over at the moment. They do seem to be very popular this year. And as you've seen for yourself, they are really easy to make. You can make them in any colour you like to match your decor, or just basically any colour wool that you've got that you need to use up. Same with the felt, you can do that in different colours, and with a ribbon. The frame, if you've got an old frame lying around, then just repurpose it and make one of these cute little tassel Christmas trees. I really hope you enjoyed my Christmas craft today. If you did, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.